Basic forces of nature. Welcome to our video on the basic forces of nature. We'll be exploring the fundamental forces that govern the universe and how they shape the world around us. The universe is a vast and complex place, but it can be broken down into four fundamental forces. These forces are gravity, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. Gravity is the force that attracts objects with mass towards each other. This force is responsible for the orbits of planets and moons, as well as the formation of stars and galaxies. Electromagnetic force is responsible for the interaction between charged particles. This force is what holds atoms together and allows electricity to flow through wires. It's also responsible for the properties of light, magnetism, and many other phenomena. The strong nuclear force is responsible for holding the nucleus of an atom together. This force is much stronger than the electromagnetic force, but it only operates at very short distances. The weak nuclear force is responsible for radioactive decay, which occurs when an unstable atomic nucleus emits particles or radiation. It's the weakest of the four fundamental forces. Understanding these forces is crucial to understand the behavior of the particles at the smallest scales. Particle colliders like the Large Hadron Collider allow scientists to study the behavior of particles and the forces that govern them. While we've made incredible progress in understanding these forces, there is still much we don't know. Scientists continue to study the fundamental forces of nature, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. The universe is an amazing and complex place, and the fundamental forces of nature play a crucial role in shaping it. By understanding these forces, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and continue to make incredible discoveries. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the basic forces of nature. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we look forward to sharing more incredible discoveries with you in the future. Don't forget to please join our YouTube channel, Alpha Science Academy.